Ganito pala sa UST. Maingay, mauso, puno ng pangarap. Yun lang.
Hindi kita kilala.
But, I agree.
This is us
Manila
in
traffic.
Espanya.
Hi guys.
Nata ko yung ano.
This is Nika. What can you say? Saan tayo?
Hey guys, we're in Angkor. And it's Kenneth's first time.
Hey. Yes, I'm so
Hey.
excited.
So galing tayo saan?
Yes, we just came from our review
Water view.
for Enma.
True.
And okay naman siya.
Hindi ka nakinig eh. Guys, kunin mo na Kenneth.
Hey guys.
Thank you so much.
Our strategy for this is hindi kami nag-rice. Nag-rice ka ba?
No.
Hindi kami nag-rice kasi mag-food trip talaga.
Yes.
So,
I'm so excited.
sana hindi mo mulan.
True. Never may payang naman kayo for baba.
Totoo.
I mean, yeah. Whatever.
Actually guys, kaya ako dapat mag-doll shoes ako pero kaya ako nag-crocs kasi inisip ko din. Not to be mean
Well,
because we're surrounded.
ano lang, preventive measure.
Please tingnan mo yung puan ni Kenny.
Bye, Kenneth.
Okay lang, meron pa naman isa dito.
Meron din ako dito.
Hey guys, taste na nila. Pero nakapag-ankong ka na before dyan. Oh my gosh! First impression!
Sabay tayo.
Wait lang.
Siya.
Hi everyone! Such a nice place.
Yup. I know.
And we love the people here. And this is Chad. We're gonna try out this choco shalom. Hopefully it's this one. I feel like it's this one naman.
Dito din. 7-Eleven.
This is Kenneth.
Yes, grabe siya. Wala pa kami isang oras.
Let's check.
Bala.
Sasabihin siya.
Okay.
Ganito pala sa UST. Maingay, mauso, puno ng pangarap. Yun lang.
Hindi kita kilala.
May dadaan. I-intro ko yun.
Oo, intro mo yun. Makakancel siya agad. Kasi binash niya.
Anong cancel? Grabe naman yung delivery ng line. Anong cancel?
Ayan.
This is us.
Manila
In
traffic.
Espanya. Kita niyo yun, UST na yan siya.
Espanya.
Yeah. So, ano ba yan? Ang ingay pala dito. So, nandito si Luna.
Ay, Luna
And
pala.
si Calix.
Ako si...
Ayun nga pala. Ayun natin yan. Okay guys. To our next destination. We got the goods. OA. Hi everyone. Now we're going to be tasting. Ano yun? Taste testing. The Choco Shalong Bao that we got. In Biscoff. And we're here in Someday Cafe.
7 pieces.
Okay, 7 pieces na sabi ni Kenneth.
Nagreklamo.
I don't know kung nasan yung Biscoff. So this is what it looks like. Wala pa sila nung dip, unfortunately.
Yung 20 pesos. Taste test.
Libre na daw.
Yeah, libre na lang yan. So,
Wala. Hindi na mainit eh.
sayang.
Parang lang siya yung sa dimdum ko. Review.
Medyo hindi na soft yung outer.
Masasatisfy naman na. I think mas masarap siya if fresh namin nakain. Pero wala kasi dun place to eat. So, we're gonna try now the Biscoff. Amoy Biscoff. Malamang. Ang bisko. I like the chocolate one more. Masarap naman siya. Lasang biscuit nga. Malamang. Kailangan na iba yung lasa. Biscuit nga, di ba? Tapos nag-order lang kami ng drinks here. Mango pop. What drink did you get?
Strawberry.
Strawberry pop? Milk.
Strawberry milk.
Yes. Hi everyone, now we're on our way to the karaoke. Come with us. Last time pumunta kami dito ng tita ko, may shih tzu nakatakas dyan.
Saan?
Tapos hinabol ng mga riders. Tapos walang pa kayong may-ari. Don't be like that.
Thank you.
We're gonna be singing,
Ay,
nandito na pala yung, ano pangalan na
Saja
pumunta?
Boys.
Saja
Saja
Boys,
Boys.
yes. But
I agree.
it's very refreshing to be here. Basta gets nyo na. The rain in España, except it's not raining.
True, it's so sunny.
So guys, we have better sidewalks here than in Katip. Because actually in Katip we don't have sidewalks at all. So yeah.
Ay, sorry.
Sa pagtulog, ikaw ang panaginip. Sigang itong damdamin. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi naging.
Parang wala akong naghahanap na nga ako sa sa song list ko.
Mag-duet tayo mamaya. Ano mong ginang-duet song?